Hello everyone, welcome back to SK Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. You can see the dimensions here. The diameter is 30, outer diameter is 50, and also both side flanges is there 70 and 60 mm. Height is 55 mm. The thickness is 16 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the new videos. Select your metric template, select standard mm, create, select extrude, select the plane, create two circles 30 and 50 mm. Enter the dimension 30, create one more circle, enter the dimension 50. Create line here, give the dimension, this is 60 mm. So here to here 70. Give the tangent constraint here. Next select the same sketch like top. Give the dimensions 16 mm, here to here 60. This height is 55 plus 10, 65 mm. Give the tangent constraint for this line. We can trim these lines, not required, or you can leave as it is. Extrude, select here mid plane 80 mm. Next there is a chamfer, select chamfer here. The chamfer dimension is 10 mm. Select the edges. Okay. Here there is a two holes, diameter 12 mm, pitch is 45 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select point, give the point, give the dimensions 16 and this is 45. Give the horizontal constraint here. So here to here 45 by 2. Finish. Hole, simple hole, the diameter is 12 mm. Okay. Next here also one hole is there, that select this surface, sketch, create one circle, give the dimensions. The diameter is 25 and 25. give the constraint. Finish. Extrude, select here cut, here we can select up to next. So that's it. We can assign the material here. So these are all the standard materials. Select steel cast. Polishes we can assign so these are all the steel polishes. We can change the polish also, and also we can change the color here. Like this we can edit the color. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session, and also I'm requesting please do subscribe my channel and support me. And also you can change this inside whole colors here. Select this, select the spots, change the color. Press the Ctrl key to select all the features. Like this we can change. So that's it, friends.